Hi and welcome back to my channel. It's Annie bringing you today another ThredUP Fun Box. Now this Fun Box was $34. I did have a $10 credit, so that basically paid for my shipping. Usually it's about $10 for shipping and plus a little bit of tax. Okay, so this box is from, I think it's Arizona. Yes, Phoenix, Arizona. Let's get it untaped here. Now, upcoming guys, I have videos coming. I got a clothing box from Unclaimed Baggage, which I have gotten one of those before, but I had noticed they had stopped being on the website, but evidently they're back and they have kind of revamped, it looks like. So I'm kind of excited to see what I get in that box. And then I have another ThredUP shoe box on the way. Okay. Let's take a first look. Get this turned around. I'm sorry if the lighting's not that good, but we will work with what we got. Okay, I'm gonna let y'all guys see it first. How's it look? It's been a little while since I've ordered one of these. And usually you might have one or two things in here that you can resell, but mostly this is just for fun. I usually end up keeping a lot of it for myself or giving as gifts. Let's go ahead and get the slippers out of the way. So these are Isotona slippers, size large, new. And they are a size 8.5 to 9, which is my size. So I don't know if I'll keep those or give them as a gift. We will see. I'm going to put this over here. Get out of the way a little bit. Okay. Looks like we have some kind of purse. That's cute. Let's see if I can read this. Oh, I bet I don't have my glasses. It has a W. I think that's Worthington. I don't know. It doesn't. I don't know, guys. Is this a purse or like a wine bag? I think a wine bottle would fit in there. Because it looks, it's insulated. See? So that must be some kind of wine bag. Or some kind of tote. That's cute. And I do drink wine, so, I don't know, I might keep that. That's cute. Go into a little party or luncheon, or, stick a bottle of wine in there, take it with you. Anyway, let's see. We have a colorful scarf. That's pretty. I like the colors in it. Let's see if it is labeled. Probably not. Oh. Doesn't have a good smell to it though. Definitely needs washing and airing out, but I do not see any kind of label. So yeah, that definitely needs washing and airing. I'm gonna put that over there separate from everything else. Oh my goodness, what is this? I thought it was bunny ears at first, guys. The way it was in the box, these two little things were sticking up. Okay. And this is new with tags, some kind of bralette, and it's fuzzy. Let's see what it is. For Love and Lemons. All right. Now this is something I will probably sell. It's new with tags, and it is a size extra small. And this is, oh, so soft. Very soft. 100% polyamide. I don't think I've ever seen a bralette like that before. How cute. Oh, look, it's got a little flower in the middle. Okay, so I will try to sell that, making sure that one smells okay. And then we have another bralette, newer tags. Liking the newer tags. Oh, this is a Mama Nursing Removable Pad. So this is a nursing bra. Let's see. And this is small. And there's the removable pads. Okay, let's see. Yep, size small. And it is from H&M. So I might try to sell that, or once again, I have a niece, but I think that's going to be too small for her. So yeah, I'll probably try to sell that. Okay, we have a pair of Hue tights, which you usually get tights or socks in these boxes. And I do sell tights. I think in one of my other boxes I got a pair which I did sell, which I grouped it together with another pair I had of the same size. And these were originally 12 on sale for $5.97. Oh, got a pair of pantyhose, size 1X, style at Central Body Shapers. Okay. And I don't, they're size 1X to 2X. Okay. No show socks. I've gotten lots of these. Some of them I kept for myself, but I'm starting to stock up on these, so I might put these in a bundle and try to sell them. But I like the style of those. Kind of lacy. Okay. And then we have a pocket, well, kind of a backpack pocketbook. That's what I would call it. That's pretty. It's pink. Outside pocket. Oh, it must be new because it still has stuffing in there. Let's see what name brand this is. Oh, I've got to learn to bring my reading glasses with me, which I'm in my office. I thought they were in here. All right, let's see if I can get it open. Yep, this is new. It still has all the stuffing. And let's see if I can find... Oh, and it comes with the straps. That's great. Let's see if we can find a name. Oh, here we go. Walasa. Walasa. I'm going to see if I can show it to you. W-A-L-A-S-A. Made with love. www.walasa.com. And it says it's split leather. Okay. And I will have to look that up because I'm not even sure if that is a good name or not. I will look it up and let you guys know. I'll put it on the screen. And this, I mean, this is very pretty. And it's new with tags, which makes it even better. Okay, that's not happening. We'll do that later. I will definitely put that back in there. Let's open up the zipper. This is so cute. I like it. It's got straps. Oh, and it also has a little back zipper back there. Okay, so I see you can put the straps and kind of wear it like a backpack. That is, I like it. I will definitely try to sell that. And last but not least, let's see. We have a watch. First time I've gotten a watch, I think. And it's definitely used. Stainless steel back. It is, I couldn't tell you. S.O. Sonia? I don't know. I'm going to have to get my glasses and read that. But you can tell it's used. It's got some scratches on the back. Oh, let me look. Hold on. Solia Sport. I'll get my glasses and look, and I'll put it at the bottom of the screen. But this is definitely used. So I doubt I would try to sell that unless it happens to be something, which I don't think it is. But anyway, I like it. I used to have one similar to that, not that brand, but before, you know, came out with all these eye watches and stuff, which mine is a Samsung. Okay, so let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Was it only 9? Did I miss one? Hold on. Let's do this again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep, only 9 items. I think it's supposed to be 10 items. So, should I contact them and let them know? Do y'all guys think they will give me credit? Well, yeah, that's only 9 items, unless I'm missing something. But anyway, so that's it, guys. I think it was a pretty good box. I really like the pocketbook, and that little bralette I think will sell. Maybe keep the slippers for myself. We'll see. But anyway, guys, stay tuned for that unclaimed baggage box. I'm really excited about that. It's been a while since I've ordered one from them. And then for the ThredUP shoe box. Until next time, guys. Bye.